So before this night ends, I would like to greet our beloved PIDAW President and focal person a very happy birthday. So to Cap Jorwin Bautista, happy birthday po sa inyo Cap. Sana po bigyan pa kayo ng Panginoong Diyos ng lakas ng katawan at lakas ng kalooban at talino para magabayan yung may kapansanan. So, hindi ko na po papahabain. No? Happy birthday po ulit. God bless po. Sorry po, ngayon ko lang po naalala na birthday nyo pala kasi may inassist po akong PWD member namin sa City Hall. Pinarenew ko po yung ID at ikinuha ko ng birth certificate, ng medical certificate. Kakamadali nga ako, nakalimutan ko pa yung doctor's prescription. So, happy birthday po ulit, Cap. More birthdays to come and God bless po to you and to your whole family. Thank you po.